Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add images to your Explain Everything project. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app, then go to the home page and open your project where you want to add an image. And at the project section on the left side of the screen, you should see this toolbar. And at the top of the toolbar, you should see these two squares with a plus icon. And if you tap on it, you can see the Insert New section where you can insert a picture to your project. Now for this, you have to give access for Explain Everything to your library, so you can add your images. But if you give access, it's going to open up your photo library and you can add any photos and images to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.